Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Blue color, light green color, gray color, white color, dark green color, purple color, brown color, peach pink color, red color, black color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, yellow color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Light green color A. A for apple. A for apple. Red color B. B for books. B for books. Pink color C. C for cat. C for cat. Sky blue color D. D for door. D for door. Yellow color E. E for egg. E for egg. Brown color F. F for fish. F for fish. Orange color G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Light green color H. H for hen. H for hen. Red color I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Pink color J. J for joker. J for joker. Sky blue color K. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color L. L for lion. L for lion. Brown color M. M for mango. M for mango. Orange color in. N for nest. N for nest. Light green color O. O for orange. O for orange. Red color P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Pink color Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Sky blue color R. R for rose. R for rose. Yellow color S. S for sun. S for sun. Brown color T. T for tree. T for tree. Light green color U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Red color V. V for fan. V for fan. Pink color W. W for water. W for water. Sky blue color X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Yellow color Y. Y for yellow color. Y for yellow color. Brown color Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. brown color, orange color, blue color, purple color, white color, peach pink color, light green color, dark green color, gray color, red color, black color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pink color. 1, 1. Light green color. 2, 2. Is pink color. 3, 3. Sky blue color. 4, 4. Red color. 5, 5. Purple color. 6, 6. Dark green color. 7, 7. Yellow color. 8, 8. Blue color. 9, 9. Orange color. 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.